ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. Myself M.A. Tubchi, HOD, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, SJPN Trust, Polytechnic, Nidsoshi. Second semester Electronics and Communication Engineering course Basics of Semiconductor Devices. Unit 3 Field Effect Transistor. Now we are discussing about the question paper questions along with answers. First question is, explain the constructional features of JFET, or explain the physical structure of FET with a diagram. Figure shows the structure of N-channel FET. It consists of three terminals: source, drain and gate. The constructional features of JFET. A JFET consists of a N-type or P-type silicon bar containing two PN junctions at the sides as shown in figure. The silicon bars forms the conducting channel for the charge carriers. If the bar is of N-type, it is called N-channel JFET, and if the bar is of P-type, it is called P-channel JFET as shown in figure. The two PN junctions forming diodes are connected internally, and a common terminal called gate is taken out. Other terminals are source and drain taken out from the bar as shown. Thus, a JFET has three terminals: gate, source and drain. Source. The source is the terminal through which the majority charge carriers enter the bar. It is denoted by S. Drain. The drain is the terminal through which the majority charge carriers leave the bar. It is denoted by D. Gate. On both sides of a heavily doped regions of N-type or P-type materials forms the gate. It is denoted by G. Channel. It is the regions between the two gate layers through which majority charge carriers move from source to drain. Second question. Explain the principle of operation of JFET, or explain the working of N-channel JFET. Working of N-channel JFET. It consists of two conditions. When a gate VDS is applied between drain and source terminals, and voltage on the gate VGS is 0, the two PN junctions at the sides of the bar established depletion layers. The electrons will flow from source to drain through a channel between the depletion layers. The size of these layers determines the width of the channel and hence the current conduction through the bar. When the reverse voltage VGS is applied between gate and source, the width of depletion layers increased. This reduces the width of conducting channel, thereby increasing the resistance of N-type bar. So, current from source to drain is decreased. On the other hand, if the reverse voltage on the gate is decreased, the width of depletion layers also decreases. Third question. Explain the drain characteristics of P-channel JFET. The figure shows the drain characteristics of P-channel JFET. Figure shows the circuit diagram of drain characteristics of P channel JFET. Figure shows the drain VI characteristics of an N-channel JFET. The curves represent between the drain current ID along x-axis and drain to source voltage VDS along x-axis for different values of gate to source voltage VGS. When the voltage is increased from 0 to few volts, the current ID will increase proportionally as per Ohm's law. It means that JFET behaves like an ordinary resistor and the region is called ohmic region. As the voltage VDS is increased further and approaches a level referred as V as shown in figure, the depletion region will increase and the channel width decreases. This reduced channel width increases the resistance to the electron flow and curve becomes flat. The voltage above the current becomes constant is called as pinch off voltage VPO. After pinch off voltage, the channel width becomes so narrow that depletion layers almost touch each other. The drain current passes through the small passage between these layers. Therefore, increase in drain current is very small with VDS above pinch off voltage. So, drain current remains constant. From the VI characteristics curve, it is clear that increasing voltage VDS make JFET to behave like a resistor, that is ohmic region, and then as current as constant current source and finally enters into breakdown region. Fourth question, explain with neat sketch transfer characteristics of N channel JFET. Figure shows the transfer VI characteristics of an N channel JFET. The curves represent between the drain current ID along y axis and gate to source voltage VDS along x axis by keeping VDS constant. As the reverse gate source voltage is increased, the cross sectional area of the channel decreases. This decreases the drain current. At some reverse gate source voltage, the depletion layers extend completely across the channel. In this condition, the channel is cut off and the drain current reduces to 0. The gate voltage at which the channel is cut off is called gate source cutoff voltage VGS off. Next question, define JFET parameters RD, GM and micro. There are three parameters are there: AC drain resistance, transconductance, amplification factor. The first one is AC drain resistance RD. It is the ratio of change in drain source voltage to the change in drain current at constant gate source voltage. The mathematical form of drain resistance RD equal to delta VDS divided by delta ID at constant VGS. Transconductance. It is the ratio of change in drain current to the change in gate source voltage at constant drain source voltage. The mathematical form of transconductance Gm equal to delta ID divided by delta VGS at constant VDS. Amplification factor micro or mu. It is the ratio of change in drain source voltage to the change in gate source voltage at constant drain current. The mathematical form of amplification factor mu equal to delta VDS divided by delta VGS at constant ID. The next question, justify mu equal to RD into GM. We know that RD equal to delta VDS divided by delta ID. GM equal to delta ID divided by delta VGS and mu equal to delta VDS divided by delta VGS. Multiplying the numerator and denominator of right hand side of expression 1 by delta ID, we get mu equal to delta VDS divided by delta VGS equal to delta VDS divided by delta ID into delta ID divided by delta VGS. Mu equal to RD into GM. Next question. Explain with diagram N-channel enhancement type MOSFET. The figure shows the structure of N-channel enhancement type MOSFET. Figure shows the basic construction of N-channel enhancement type MOSFET. Like depletion type MOSFET, two highly doped N regions are diffused into a lightly doped P-type substrate. The source and drain are taken out through metallic contacts to N doped regions. The channel between two N regions is absent in the enhancement MOSFET. The SiO2 layer is still present to isolate the gate metallic platform from the region between the drain and source. But now it is simply separated from a section of the P-type material. Enhancement MOSFET has no physical channel. Next question. Explain the working of CMOS inverter. The figure shows the circuit and equivalent circuit of CMOS inverter. Figure shows the basic CMOS inverter circuit. The CMOS inverter uses Q1 as P channel MOSFET and Q2 as an N channel MOSFET. Both the gate terminals are connected to the input signal Vi and both drain terminals are connected to the output Vo. The source terminal of P channel, that is Q1, is connected to plus 5 volt and the source terminal of P channel of N channel, that is Q2 is connected to ground. Both these devices like a switch. The operation of CMOS inverter is as follows. When input equal to plus 5 volt or high, Q2 is on and Q1 is off. The output voltage is 0, that is VO equal to 0 volt. When Vin equal to 0 volt or low, Q2 is off and Q1 is on. The output voltage is plus 5 volt, that is VO equal to plus 5 volt. Next question. Compare BJT and FET. The comparison between the JFET and BJT. Unipolar JFET is a unipolar device. BJT is bipolar device. JFET, the operation depends on the control of a junction depletion width under reverse bias. BJT, the operation depends on the injection of minority carriers across forward biased junction. JFET voltage driven device, the current through the two terminals is controlled by a voltage at the third terminal gate. BJT current driven device, the current through the two terminals is controlled by a current at the third terminal. JFET is low noise level, BJT is high noise level. JFET is high input impedance, BJT low input impedance. JFET gain is characterized by transconductance, BJT gain is characterized by voltage gain. JFET better thermal stability, BJT less thermal stability. Next question. Compare JFET and MOSFET. JFET operated in depletion mode. MOSFET operated in depletion mode and enhancement mode. JFET high input impedance, MOSFET very high input impedance. JFET gate is not insulated from channel. MOSFET gate is insulated from channel by a layer of SiO2. JFET channel exists permanently. MOSFET channel exists permanently in depletion type but not in enhancement type. JFET difficult to fabricate than MOSFET. MOSFET easier to fabricate. JFET drain resistance is high. MOSFET drain resistance is less. JFET gate formed as a diode. MOSFET gate is formed as a capacitor. The next question is compare DMOSFET and EMOSFET. DMOSFET is called a depletion MOS FET because of channel depletion. eMOS FET only works in enhancement mode and is therefore called enhancement MOS FET. DMOS FET can be used as eMOS FET. eMOS cannot be used as a DMOS FET. DMOS FET, if VGS equal to 0 volt, IDS flows due to VDS. eMOS FET, if VGS equal to 0 volt, IDS equal to 0, although VDS is applied. DMOS FET N-type semiconductors exist in the structure itself between source and drain. eMOS FET is no N channel between source and drain. DMOS do not occur. eMOS when VGS equal to VT, the MOS FET is turned on. Next question. Write applications of CMOS. Applications of CMOS in VLSI circuits such as microprocessors, memory, chips, etc. Packet calculators. In computer logic design, digital wrist watches, cellular phones, logic circuits such as counters, multiplexers, encoders, etc. Digital devices such as logic gates, flip-flops, etc. Satellites, digital camera. Next question. List applications of JFET. JFET is used in buffer amplifier because it has high input impedance and low output impedance. It is used in phase shift oscillators because it has high input impedance with minimizes the load effect. It is used in RF amplifier in communication circuits because the noise level of JFET is very low and it is a voltage control device. JFETs are used in digital circuits. JFETs are used in low frequency amplifiers. Next question. List the applications of MOS FET. Digital integrated circuits such as microprocessors and memory devices contain thousands of millions of integrated MOS FET. Logic gates and data storage, switch mode power supplies, variable frequency drives. Radio systems use MOS FETs as oscillators or mixers to convert frequencies. Sound reinforcement and automobile sound systems. Thank you.